Today I am here to speak on the topic of the youth of the Bangladesh. Youth are the future of the nation. Youth is the most energetic and powerful stage of our life. The progress of a nation depends on the youth. If the youths are educated, are the disciplined and responsible, the country will surely prosper. In Bangladesh, the role of youth are clearly visible. The youth of Bangladesh have played a heroic role in our history. They sacrificed their lives in 1952, and they sacrificed their life for our freedom, for our identity, and for our language. And many of the students they lost their body parts and for our country. The young people have that proves us that the youth of Bangladesh are brave and patriotic and powerful. The young people have fresh ideas and a strong determination. They can break down every superstitions belonging to our society. They can overcome our poverty and unemployment throughout education and hard work and discipline. However, today many young people are wasting their time on drug addiction and wasting their time on social media. They instead of using social media for entertainment, they can use instruments for education and for to bright their futures. And education is the backbone of the youth, of a country and of the young people. If the young people are educated, they can prosper. A nation can easily prosper. Along with education, moral values are equally important for our country. A nation becomes great when the youth of a country are educated and responsible and disciplined. If we guide them properly, they can surely prosper enough, and our country will prosper. Thank you everyone for your patience.